Let's break down what you can do to convert a list to a string in Python. I will tell you a story using a list, and this is a list because it starts and ends with square brackets. Once upon a time, there was a pirate who was living on a desert island. One day, something happened. The variable you used for this story is a Python list. Let's see how it looks like. To print the content of this list, you can use the print function. Wait, this is not the way a story should look like. Can we get rid of all these square brackets and single quotes? This is where you can use the string join method that converts a list to a string. The join method returns a string, the variable result in blue, which is the concatenation of the strings in the list. You can see the list in green in this example where the list is passed to the join method. The string provided in this method, str in red, is the separator used when concatenating the strings in the list. Here you can see two examples on how to call the join method before we go back to our code. Let's create a variable called story that will contain the final string. In this case, we will use a single space character as the separator. But when we print the final string, we get something different from what we expect. We converted our list to a string, but where are all the spaces? The reason why there are no spaces in the final string is in line 7 of the code. In line 7, you can see that the separator passed to the join function is an empty character instead of being a single space character. Fix the separator and rerun the code. The string that contains the content of your story is now correct. Now you know how to convert a Python list to a string. Watch the next tutorial to build your memory game in Python.